Hi there. My name's Adam Shao. I am a manager in the Microsoft Federal business, and I'm going to be sharing a Copilot prompt with you all today. So the purpose of this prompt is to summarize some key points from a lengthy brief and provide a executive brief, an overview of it via Microsoft Word, and a presentation via Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can see the prompt that we're going to be using on the right over here. I created this actually with the help of Copilot, which is something that I do when I'm really looking for the best output. But something shorter and more concise would probably work great too. Honestly, summarize this report in bulleted form with an introduction or something would work almost just as well. But let's go ahead and give it a shot. So let's head over to the GAO recent report list. I could have done this with any one of these. The one that kind of caught my eye was this federal remote work report. So let's go ahead and open that. It's lengthy. There's a lot of stuff in there. When using AI, it shouldn't replace going to the source material, right? And looking through it, reading it, understanding it, but it's a great tool to help you summarize and understand it better. We can do this a number of different ways. I'm just going to go directly in the browser. So in Copilot, I've got that prompt copied. We're going to go ahead and paste. Let's see if this works. There we go. And let's see what it comes up with. So it's scanning all this text and data. And cool. Here's the output. Looks like there's an executive summary with some bullets. It's all looking pretty good. All right, so let's go ahead and copy that. I use Word a lot, so I'm just going to go ahead and use Word to paste it in. So here we go. Nice. It's about 2 pages. References the report up top. Provides a nice 3-paragraph executive summary, which is what I asked it to do. What I also included in my prompt are references, which is something that I like to do so I can go back and, on any assertions that we're making in this report, you can go back and easily double check what AI is pulling when you have those pages listed out there. So, cool. This looks great. All right, nice. So that might be enough for your purposes, but I actually want to take it a step further and pull together a PowerPoint brief as well. So let's open up PowerPoint. Again, do this a number of different ways. If you just hit the Copilot prompt or the Copilot button in the ribbon, you'll see there's a few options. I typically use these for most of the Copilot work that I do, although you can ask it whatever you'd like. And let's create a presentation from a file. So let's go the GAO remote work brief, which is what I just saved, and create a presentation from that. Let's see what designs we got. How about this archway design? Let's use that. Why not? And let's see what it comes up with. So it'll probably take, I don't know, for the whole thing, maybe 30 seconds or something. It's reviewing the summary that I provided it. It's pulling together kind of a logical way to present the information. It's building out the deck. It's kind of showing you the progress it's making in real time. So it's showing you kind of at a high level what the sections are going to be and what the content's going to be, and then it's building out each one of those slides, all the content within each slide in real time. So let's kind of give it a we've got to hit the generate button. There we go. Now it's doing it. So here it'll probably take 10 to 20 seconds to build this thing out. So it's looking through everything and doing that. Yeah, it's kind of fun to see it in real time here. While we're waiting there, I'd also encourage you, if you use the browser like this, you can go ahead and use this as Q&A for the report as well. So the summary and key findings are great, but you could also ask it specific information on something that's relevant to you or the work that you're doing, and it'll do a good job of providing you a relevant answer to your specific query. All right, we are done. Cool, let's check this thing out. So remote work brief. Got the agenda. And so you can see it's kind of a boilerplate, deck. I definitely encourage you to think of this as a starting point. Make it your own, maybe add your own pictures, and all of that. But it's a great first draft and should save you a ton of time and effort um, as you're building this out. So I think that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of the content here today. Take care.